line command, I'm gonna show you can draw a line using the AutoCAD most common objectives, lines. To begin, let's go ahead and toggle off anything that is in status bar. This particular element here can be turned off. It is just telling us about hardware acceleration. If you want, you can hide that by going customization button here in the corner and turning off graphic performance. Also go ahead and turn on dynamic input that opens up this controller right here. I will like to turn it off also, so that we can draw the lines without distraction. Now go to the line tool here in the draw panel and click. Let's pay attention what it says in the command. Specify first point. That just means click some place on the screen and click in some arbitrary point, and notice that the cursor appears to be connected to that point. Now it is connected on what we call rubber band line. The command line now says specify next point or undo. Undo is the option we have. We can go back and specify the first point again or just move forward. I'll click another point under the line command, and the line command does not end. You can keep going drawing lines, so I'm gonna click another point. Notice now, however, that we have an additional option, close. This is available to us because we have drawn two line segments. I will click that option and the line command ends. We have now three different separate objects here, and I would like to repeat the line command. To do that, I'll press enter. I'll click a point and click another point up above, another point, and this time to enter the line command, I'll right click. That opens the shortcut menu. So you have options here of close and undo, just like you do below, and you also have enter. I would like to show you an option that I like when I'm drawing lines. It is called time sensitive right click, and this makes drawing line to be more efficient. To access dialog box, type option or B, enter. Go to user preferences type and click this button to turn on this time sensitive right click. Simply check this box. What this does is it times you when you are right clicking. If you right click rather quickly, less than 250 milliseconds, then it will be equivalent to pressing enter key. If you take longer than that, it will open the shortcut menu, apply and close. Press OK. Let's try this out. Draw another line, click a few points. Let's say we are done, and the line command, just right click. Let's say we are done, and the line command, just right click quickly, and the line command is finished. Now you can repeat the line command by right clicking again, draw a few segments, right click. This time hold the right mouse button down to 50 milliseconds, and what happens is you will see a shortcut menu. I don't find this shortcut menu to be so useful. I prefer just to access the option down here on the command line, but you know there are many different ways to do things in AutoCAD, so it is good to know what your options are. When you use time sensitive right click, you can draw more quickly. You can go line, click, right click again, and draw some other lines over here. In this video we covered the basics of drawing a line.